Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna be guiding you through the simple and easy to follow steps on how to log into your Progressive insurance account. So let's jump in right into the video. The first thing to do is to open a preferred web browser. In the URL box, type in progressive.com and press enter. This will then take you to the official website of Progressive. From the main home page, go ahead and click on the login button appearing at the top right hand corner. You'll now end up in the login page. To log into your account, you first need to type in your user ID followed by your account's password. Start off by typing in your user ID in the first text box and make sure to type it in correct. On the next field, it'll ask you to enter your password. Type in your password associated with your Progressive insurance account, and after you are done, you can go ahead and click on this little Save User ID box if you are using a private device. But if you're using a public device to log into your Progressive insurance account, leave this box unchecked before logging in. After filling in your credentials, you can click the login button, but if you're having trouble remembering your password, click on this Need Help Login In link and follow through the prompts in order to reset to a new password. Finally, after everything's correct, click Login and you should be able to log into your Progressive insurance account in no time. So that's how it can be easily done. With a few simple steps, you will be able to log into your Progressive insurance account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.